I am studying in first standard, states and capital. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Banati, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Pune, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Madhya Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata, Telangana, Hyderabad. District name: Ariyalur, Chengalpet, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kadalur, Nimbapuri, Dindigul, Erode, Kalakurchi, Kanchipuram, Karur, Krishnagiri, Madurai, Mayiladuthurai, Nagapattinam, Kanyakumari, Namakkal, Perambalur, Pudukkottai, Pavananthapuram, Ranipet, Salem, Sivagangai, Tenkasi, Tanjore, Theni,